set up for our final day.
Just checking that one out for a moment.
It's a combination right now. We're
Door opening,
ghost riding, mind surfing. I was so surfing because I took my surfer storm.
on a big back door wall. Gets in there, Katie in the door. Katie coming out.
Slicing the water right through that last section there on the rail. So Katie Simmons. Stinking the game? Yeah, you did. Getting interested, as they say. Night down there. We got Night by Nature. Who's on the beach doing some security? Alexis Pro presented by Eddie. Sunset event.
For the next championship 20 minutes.